Like when you about you back a crap or a red flag.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Emily and today is about the aldin cycles, and we are here to explore how effective it is on campus and if it is a good initiative. So come with us.
Alright, so as you can see, we've spotted one of the bicycle at block A. Alright, so let's go and catch the bicycle, you know.
Alright guys, so this is the step-by-step to go through to get access to any of the aldin cycles on Legon campus. So first of all, you download the app from App Store or Play Store. Then after you are done, you would let it load first, and after it's done, you sign up. So you sign up here with your email, Solomon in team, that's mine. So there I go here, create a strong password. You accept all the terms. After you are done, you go to your email to verify your account. There's it. So you just tap on the link and it comes here that it's you. So your account has been successfully registered. Yeah. So from here you input your phone number. Then the name you want to the name you want it to appear on the app. And you skip.
So it's either you verify with your Momo or your credit card, and that's it. So you just add funds, then you get access to your aldin wallet. You understand? So 1 hour, as you can see, 30 minutes is 6 cedis, 1 hour is 12 cedis, and 3 hours is 36 cedis. Then you just add it and load the wallet, and you enjoy the ride on campus. Right?
Okay, so I want to ride for an hour, so I'm taking 12 cedis. One-time payment by. Okay, so we are using mobile money payment. So yeah, then I input my Momo number. That's all. Confirm. Yeah, you enter your one-time password sent to your phone. It's 268348. You authorize.
Okay.
You input your PIN.
Yeah, your Momo PIN.
Yeah.
So completed. Alright, so
payment successful. So it has been
reflected on the wallet.
If you want to ride, you just scan and you are good to go. Okay, so to end like pack it, you just need to tap on the stop rental, yes, and rental, and take a picture of you parking it.
Before you get access to, you first need to scan. So you see that there's a QR code on the phone. So you click on the QR code or the bar scanner, then you come. So it's unlocking. Eye capture. Yeah. It's unlocking. 1 minute. then you click on rent. All right, so it unlocks automatically. All right, so we have access to the ride. Okay, so we can put our phone here and take the bicycle. Charlie, hey, first step, Charlie, don't forget the helmet too, bro. Charlie, all right, Charlie, my helmet on. Fixed, bro. Charlie. Woo. The helmet. Alright. Charlie. Wait, I just say a trim. Is it okay? Yeah, but how so I just say.
Oh, it's because of my hair.
Sure.
The hair back.
Let's see. Okay, man. Yeah, I'm sure the hair.
The hair is back.
I think we have got into this. There's nothing I can do. Let me see. This side is not adjustable. Okay, let's see if we can manage. Okay, I think it's okay.
Shall not fall down.
No. You let me hold it. At a point in time, I will leave you. I'm holding down. And I'll put some intro skills.
No,
are you okay?
It's not the time to learn how to ride bicycle.
Okay. Alright, so I can leave you now.
Okay.
I can leave you. Are you sure?
Sure.
On the scale of 1 to 10. Hey, no for.
Hey, you're running used to us.
Okay, let's go. And get to a certain point. I will know as to whether I should leave you or not. Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm okay.
So we can go.
Yes.
In my emergency here. Alright, let me be on this side.
Hey.
Come here, right hand here. Okay. What you be at your home?
Like very long. I use a tricycle.
Dude, like, who's about you bike and crap with a red flag?
It's been long. I use a tricycle to learn.
Tricycle?
Yes.
The
one that in Kolan. And I was small, like 7 years.
7 years. And you're at Japan?
Yes.
So 25.7.
It's 25. I'm not 25.
But I think it's okay. Right now I can't go. Or you can't.
Leave it and let's see.
I don't want to get scratches on your skin.
Hey.
Alright, so I think we should pack it on.
Okay.
Or you want to give it a try?
No.
So I can leave
I'm
you.
afraid.
Alright, I think it's okay.
Next time.
I'm sure. Alright, so Emily, so this is the end of the content. What do you think? What do you think about the bicycle? Any experience so far?
Okay, so my experience, it wasn't that bad, but it's okay. It's a good experience, and I think everyone should try and have this experience. And also, I feel like it's a good initiative.
Good initiative. Yeah.
Yes, because it will help students save, cut down costs. Initially, maybe if you're supposed to pick your shuttle and then maybe it's not coming, the least you have, you can just take the bicycle and then you go to class and you come back. So I feel like it's very good. All
right, but I also think, they choose Legon because that's the only university of Ghana we have in the world. Or what do you think about that?
So for me, I feel like maybe because UG has a name on it. It will have to start from here before it goes otherwise. Other way.
I want the KNUS people to understand. There's only one university in Ghana. That's University of Ghana, as the name says. All right, sure. Okay. Your final remarks,
I'll encourage all of you to try the Aldin cycles. It's very cheap. It's less expensive, and it will help you save cost. And also, you can explore with it with your friends. Yeah.
All right, sure. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right.